In 2025, Harvard Business Review released its top 100 use cases for generative AI. The number one use case? Not writing, not coding, not search. It's therapy and companionship. Just 1 year ago, the top use case was generating ideas. This shift tells us something profound. People are turning to AI not only for productivity, but for connection, reflection, and support. Across industries, I hear the same message. Leaders, students, clinicians, administrators, they're not just asking, can AI make me faster? They're asking, can AI help me live better? That's why in our workshops, we go beyond the obvious. In AI HP, healthcare professionals explore how AI can support empathy and resilience for both patients and clinicians. In AI, researchers learn how AI can be a thinking partner, reducing the isolation of academic work. In AI AW, writers discover how AI can encourage and motivate them through the creative process. And in AI Leap, administrators find AI not just as an automation engine, but as a reflective partner in decision-making. The goal is not to replace human connection, but to augment it, to make space for more meaningful interactions while letting AI carry part of the burden. This is the deeper story of generative AI. It's no longer just a tool for efficiency. It's becoming a mirror reflecting our needs, our fears, and our hopes. So here's the real question. AI can already generate better outputs. But can it help us live better lives? That's the future we're exploring together.